I'm with Dr. Trey Rogers, who's a turf expert. And Trey, most homeowners know that it's important to fertilize the yard properly to get a good, healthy yard, but what are some of the mistakes a lot of homeowners make?
Now, number one is that they put down too much fertilizer at one time.
So more is not better, huh?
Ooh, twice as much is twice as bad.
Okay. All right. How do you know really the right way to broadcast a good, even flow of fertilizer on a yard?
Well, I think the first thing you got to do is you turn your bag over and look, because right back here they're going to tell you what to set your spreader on. And my number one piece of advice is believe what they say here, because this has been years of research and testing that has gone into coming up with this.
Now, I see they mention a lot of different type of spreaders, rotary spreader, drop spreader. I've even seen a few of the old timers actually broadcasting it with their hands. What do you think's the best?
Well, I think that the best thing to do is to keep in mind you're trying to get a nice even spread. So I think the best thing a homeowner can use is the rotary spreader.
Okay. And you're able to actually use this much like the other spreaders, but it's able to get a more even broadcast out there.
Very user friendly. Okay, you can divide the rate in half and go two different directions.
Okay.
Because really what you're trying to prevent is any skips. Because fertilizer doesn't lie when it's been missed.
Okay, now do you recommend watering in fertilizer all the time, or what's the best time really to fertilize?
Well, read the label directions, but at the same time I always love to fertilize right before it rains. And I always love to tell people, fertilize when the grass is actively growing, not when it's dormant.